everybody, welcome to Non-Perfect Parenting. We are here playing the biking game from Schwinn. Now this is a super fun game for ages 4 and up, and 2 to 8 players can play. We love this game because it fits our family perfectly. Little guy here needs a little bit of help, and he sort of throws around the dice and plays with us. But he loves the little bike figurines in it, and he just kind of plays with us.
Bobby.
Yeah, but the rest of our family can play, and we love it because we are a huge outdoors family. We love to bike, so now we get to bring biking indoors. Now, this is a game made by Schwinn, super fun to play, and you can get the kids involved. Now, it is really easy to play. You have your question cards, your fun facts, and the really cool part is it comes with a decoder that you get to look for your answers on the cards. So you have all of your pieces. You also have a bunch of little bikes that are your mover things to use with the game. So once again, this is the biking game from Schwinn. Make sure to pick it up. Your family is going to love it. Thank you very much for joining me on Non-Perfect Parenting. Check out my whole review on Non-Perfect Parenting and all my other reviews and giveaways. Say bye.
Bye.
Thank you.